Hello, this is Chris Hull with Hedgefog Research, and I'm here to discuss today Hedgefog Research development of the multi-band laser source for atomic interferometry. So first, a little bit about Hedgefog Research itself. We're a small research company located in San Pedro, California, just outside of LA. Our main area of expertise tends to focus on optical metrology and sensing, with a focus on optical sensors, atom-based sensors, mass spectrometry, spectroscopy, and eye care products. As a company, we have a significant amount of experience with the SBIR process, having completed over 40 SBIR phase 1, 2, and 3 contracts. We have significant experience with the entirety of the SBIR process, having guided contracts all the way from phase 1 through phase 3 and subsequently to commercialization for a number of different agencies, including DoD, DOE, NASA, and NIH. We're a financially healthy company who's shown consistent growth over the last couple of years. And we have a proven track record for the development and manufacture of commercial devices. We're also ISO certified for the manufacture and distribution of medical devices. On the right here, you can see our certificate of certification. We also, on the bottom here, is a couple products HFR is currently working on, including our Air Force automated vision tester, which is used for Air Force vision testing. That product started as an SBIR phase 1, and we've gone all the way through phase 3. Just recently, are now entering commercialization. Also shown is our Gaudi lens fitting software, alongside our in-house developed lens Gaudi eye scanner for measuring eye shape. Also, some of our laboratory equipment, including our vacuum systems, laser sources, and high temperature sources. So, to discuss the Navy's requirements, the Navy is currently looking for a compact and low weight power laser source for use in rubidium atom manipulation for atom interferometry applications. Specifically, they're looking for a unit that fits into a standard 19 by 19 inch rack mount with 5 laser outputs. In terms of swap, they're looking for a unit with a weight of less than 10 pounds and with a power consumption ideally of under 50 watts. For the lasers themselves, we're looking for 5 laser outputs on polarization maintaining fibers. The first 3 are resonant or near resonant with the rubidium D2 F3 to F4 transition. In particular, they're looking for a high power cooling and trapping line, along with two other lines for detection and pumping. They're also looking for 2 further laser lines, resonant or near resonant with the F2 to F3 rubidium transition, for repumping and Raman. In particular, they want a laser line width of 100 kilohertz or less, a frequency stability of 10 kilohertz or better, intensity stability of 0.1% or better, and a polarization instability of 0.01 degree or less. Over the past few years, the Navy has shown increasing interest in the deployment and development of quantum-based sensors for use on naval platforms. One of the key challenges in the development of these quantum sensors is the transition of the laser system from the laboratory scale setups used traditionally to small, portable, ruggedized configurations suitable for deployment on naval platforms. Atomic interferometry in particular has shown great potential as a tool for inertial navigation. However, several key enabling technologies, including the laser system itself, still need to be developed. Once these technologies are available, Navy programs under NAVAIR and NAVC will hopefully be able to adopt these atomic interferometer-based inertial navigation systems for use on their mobile platforms. Atomic interferometry requires that multiple laser beams be precisely tuned to near or on resonance with the appropriate target transitions in the sensing atom. Generations of the appropriate laser beams for making this measurement has proven to be a major challenge for field applications. MULC hopes to resolve this issue by providing an all-in-one laser system capable of generating all necessary laser beams for the atomic interferometry experiment in a single all-in-one enclosed package. Currently, there are no other competing technologies on the market capable of providing these laser beams. To resolve this problem and enable these quantum sensing technologies, HFR is currently developing MULCs, or the multi-line laser for quantum sensing. MULCs is an all-in-one laser package that produces all necessary laser lines for atom interferometry applications, frequency stabilized and on the proper wavelengths. Generation of these and maintenance of these beam properties in these quantum systems has proven to be a major challenge for even laboratory-scale demonstrations of atomic interferometry, especially when multiple seed lasers and sources are used to generate the necessary laser beams. MOLX overcomes this issue by using a single seed laser to generate all 5 lines, benefiting from the improved the reduction in complexity and the improved ruggedness and commonality of noise sources. As such, MOLX is one of the key enabling technologies for the field deployment of atomic interferometry-based sensors. At present, HFR's MOLX is currently in its 16th month of the 36-month Phase 2 development cycle, which includes a 24-month base and 12-month option. And we've currently achieved a technological readiness level of 4, with a technology expanded to full-scale implementation. During the remaining Phase 2, HFR will work to continue to ruggedize the MOLX technology and to build a full-scale prototype and test its performance in representative environments. HFR will also carry out preliminary environmental testing to determine the reliability of MOLX and further ruggedize the system. The key benefiting feature of the MOLX technology is its significantly reduced swap characteristic as compared to currently existing laser solutions for airborne atom interferometry. MOLX has a swap characteristic over 10 times smaller than currently existing laser systems, which are often up to the size of a household refrigerator, while not compromising at all on the laser beam characteristics. By enabling a field deployable AI system, MOLX is usable in a number of applications requiring atomic interferometry solutions, including airborne and spaceborne operations of atomic interferometry. By the end of the Phase 2 option, HFR hopes to achieve a technological readiness level of 5 or higher. The post-Phase 2 research efforts will then focus on the packaging of MOLX into a rugged, fully packaged pre-production prototype with a functional user interface. HFR is currently actively looking for an advocate for the MOLX technology within the Navy. We're also beginning to look for interested parties within the major primes. MOLX is a key enabling technology for atomic interferometry-based inertial navigation sensor systems and can be readily adopted by NAVAIR and NAVSEA. MOLX can be deployed not only for aircraft, but also on ships and submersibles. After the completion of the Phase 2 research, HFR will complete the development of the MOLX technology for the Phase 2.5 development, which allows us to fully establish a manufacturing platform for MOLX and establish a quality control system. MOLX is being developed to directly address the NAVAIR need for a compact, low-swap laser system to serve as a multi-banded light source for atomic interferometry. Full exploitation of the quantum nature of atoms and ions requires lasers with very specific frequency and stability characteristics. For instance, cooling, trapping, and detection of rubidium atoms requires lasers with a wavelength of 780.24 nanometers within the 3 gigahertz range. A compact all-in-one laser system is a key enabling technology for a transition of these atomic-based sensing systems out of the laboratory to the field. Beyond military applications, other military and government application branches like the Air Force and NASA are expected markets for MOLX, along with prime contractors like Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, and Boeing as customer candidates. The initial marketing for MOLX will focus on low volume in-house production, with initial sales targeting DoD research laboratories. During this period, HFR predicts we'll be able to produce up to 10 units per year, with further production potentially necessitating partnerships with external manufacturing partners for full-rate production. Key to the MOLX transition will be partnership with one of the prime contractors, Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, or Boeing. While the MOLX technology as it is right now fully can be sold as is to research labs and R&D centers at the DoD, integration of MOLX technology with the platforms being produced by these prime contractors will serve to significantly increase the market for MOLX. So far, HFR has received 1 letter of interest from a prime contractor we are currently working to schedule a briefing with. While the non-disclosure agreement has been put in place, as of yet, there are no collaboration plans or commitments for the adoption of MOOCs by this contractor. Beyond the DoD, there are other market opportunities for MOOCs with academic labs as well as industrial labs interested in atomic interferometry. However, the market for this market is considered to be significantly more limited. There are also opportunities for marketing MOOCs to civilian position navigation and timing applications. Entry to these markets will be enabled by the initial adoption of MOOCs by military platforms. Thank you for your time. And if you have any further questions, feel free to call or email us at Hedgefog Research. You can reach us at our office phone at 310-935-2206 or email us at info@hedgefogresearch.com. Again, thank you for your time.